Good afternoon YouTube, welcome to my new channel. People have been saying to me for years that I should be on TV or in the entertainment business. Well, I decided to have a go at YouTube. We're going to be doing various videos. We're going to be doing countryside living. We're going to be doing reviews, interviews, history, you name it, and any requests, we're always open to requests. Well, anyway, it's the middle of October now, part of my favourite season, the autumn. And what's one of the best things about the autumn? It's going out on the forage. So yesterday, I went out, round within the fields, and I picked all these beautiful sloes. Look at them, big, thick, juicy, lovely. So anyway, we're going to make a bit of sloe gin. So, what you need a big kiln jar, like that. Nice fresh seal, which doesn't smell of pickled onions. You want to get yourself a litre of gin. You're going for Gordon's, but you know, there's plenty of other brands out there that float your boat. But I don't see the need really to go paying for the expensive stuff, and it's just as good a job. Anyway, so you want a litre of that, 500 grams of sloes, 250 grams of caster sugar. Right, so once you pick your sloes, next thing you want to do is give them a good wash off. Any bits of stems or whatever off, any dirt or whatnot. Freeze them overnight. Okay? So I got this morning, I had a cup of tea, the kids ready for school. I got them out the freezer then, let them defrost, and I went around each one then with a small pin. Can you see it? Just pricked it through like so. The reason for freezing them is traditionally you were to wait till the first frost before you went and foraged your sloes from the hedgerows. But by putting them in the freezer, that acts as their first frost, so they're then ready for you to crack on and go ahead. So anyway, here's my nice big kiln jar. It's just a big one, I can't remember what size it was. But I sterilised this, hot boiling water, and left it in the oven to dry off. So first job first, then got the sloes. Like sloe. Oh. Dropped them. And you get all the way in. So the measurements aren't an exact science, you know, it's to taste really, but the general rule of thumb is litre, 500 grams, 250 of caster sugar. And we get you feel after being in the freezer and on the prick, they soften right up, and all those juices are going to come out. It's going to be lovely. In you get. Right, that's that. Now then. I'll just wipe my hands a second. This kitchen towel. Now then. Right, I'll put in our caster sugar then. 250 grams, but like I said, it's not exact science. If you want a sweeter, you put more. If you don't want a sweeter, you put a bit less. Then you get. Lovely. Now then, it's time for the gin. Yeah. And you get, mister. Ooh. All the way down. Crazy how gin is fashionable again, isn't it? When I was younger, gin was just for old ladies, like Pat Butcher or Doc Cotton or your nan or whatever. But now, all the rage nowadays. Yeah. Funny how times change. Right, on with our lid now, nice and tight. So, here we are, we'll give it a bit of a shake. Go easy, sometimes these seals are the best, you know. Give it a shake up. Oh, look at that. Shake it like it's some maracas. Right, there she is. I'm going to give that a good shake every day for the next week or so. And then probably once a week then give it a good shake up. And by Christmas, she'll be good to go. Look out. Well, thanks for watching. I'm planning to do quite a few more videos. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and click subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Cheery bye.